Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of Redmi A3. So let's quickly take a look for the box, what we can find. The base information about the display size, 90Hz fluid display. On the right side we can find information about the battery, that's actually the 5000 mAh battery. There's like the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock. For sure we've got the Google apps. On the left side we've got the AI dual camera system and powerful octa-core processor, but unfortunately there's like no specific model. So yeah, now let's go inside. We have to cut out these two stickers. So let's start, for example, from this one. Yeah, let's cut this one. There we go. And now let's do this for the second one. There we go. So now we can go inside. We are going to take a look for some box accessories. Okay, so here we have the phone. I'm gonna put it here and take a look for some accessories that we can actually find. Okay, so from here we can actually find the SIM tool, the USB-C cable, and the user manual. So as you can see, there's like no charger, no earphones, and yeah, that's all. Now let's move into the phone. We've got another info, basically the same information that we can find in the box, so we are gonna skip this and I'm not gonna even mention about this. And now, okay, it looks really cool. There's like very cheap smartphone but with really nice design. I really like it. The big camera bumper, you know, the lenses are really small but the visual experience is really cool. So yeah, that's actually the blue color, and on the right side we can actually find the power button with the synchronized fingerprint sensor, the volume buttons. At the bottom we can find the USB-C port with the microphone. On the left side we can find input for the SIM card, and there we go. There's like headphone jack, so that's really cool. At the top we've got the headphones, I mean the speaker, and we've got the selfie camera right here. So now let's try to turn on the phone. Okay, the device is okay right now, it's turned on. I was thinking that maybe it's out of the battery, but it's turned on. So to turn it on you have to keep the button for a little bit longer. And we've got information about the Mi. We've got Mi logo, so it actually means that the phone comes without the HyperOS. So I'm gonna put it here, and now we can actually check for the SIM tray, what we can find in the SIM tray. I'm just gonna get my own SIM tool. And now if you wonder if there's like actually the dual SIM or the SIM card, the memory card input, let's take a look. Okay, that's really nice. We can input two physical SIM cards and the memory card. Now I'm gonna put it here, and that's basically all. If you are looking for other videos about this device, like for example how to change some options, how to take better photos or the best tricks, just go on my channel, use search engine, and you will find stuff like this. So that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.